Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got this OTG connection, so let's simply tap on it and then tap on the switcher. From now on this option is active, so you can freely use it. If you want to turn it off, you've got two different ways to do that. You can either do it manually, so just by tapping on the switcher again, or you can simply wait 10 minutes, because after that time the switcher will be automatically turned off. So if you will not use it, then your device will decide to turn it off after 10 minutes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.